Before mastering diabetes method, my A1C was 6.0, and after a couple of months, it was 5.4. I feel to be kind of anarchy person, no? So I always found my way to manage the diabetes. So in the last couple of years, I was living in Spain. So I try, as I do always, for information on internet. So I started to do a ketogenic diet. I was there, then I came back to Italy, and I spent roughly almost 1 year doing this ketogenic diet. So it didn't go as I was expecting. The reason why I started the diabetes method was to fix this mess, basically, related to the ketogenic diet that I experienced. My main goal was to try to fix this number. I imagine that the reason was related to insulin resistance. So this was the reason why I found mastering diabetes method, looking for insulin resistance, let's say alternative treatment rather than medicine, and fix it. The results were achieved basically in 2 months time, and I didn't expect this kind of result so fast. I really love the food. I really love eating, first of all, and when I was on a ketogenic diet, to me I was experienced many constraints. Now I feel more free to experience more foods, more kind of foods, cereals, legumes, a lot of veggies, and especially fruits. I was not so used to eat fruits anymore, and now I enjoy fruits every day, almost every meal. It is fantastic to me, and I enjoy a lot the food, and I feel more free to experience. Okay, and also now I feel much more mental energy. I feel that my energy improved a lot, and so energy, mood, improved mood, energy, physical, mental. So to me is a great achievement overall. Before mastering diabetes method, my A1C was 6.0, and after a couple of months, it was 5.4. My liver enzyme were 65 and 104, and after they were 42 and 47. They both were in the range. And the lipid panels before, the total cholesterol was 317, and after it was 180. And the LDL cholesterol was before 218 and after 118. The lipid panel and the liver enzyme panel were fixed after just a couple of months. What I found with this method is that the body is very flexible, I was really concerned that, something could be broken, and in reality it was kind of broken, because it was not functioning properly. To let the body working properly, just eating this kind of foods and doing sports, and the body quickly fixed the situation. So this was fine. After almost 1 year of ketogenic diet, I did a mess. I knew that I had to do something. Okay, so I looked for some information on internet, and I found this method, but this did intrigue me, and so I decided to try, because it was simply difficult for me at the beginning to understand how this could work, because I was used to think that carbohydrates were really, something that I should stay away from. But I looked for some videos on YouTube, and also I listening Robbie. He was so passionate, and so I decided first to buy the book, and then I read the book, and it was pretty straightforward to me. And then I decided to buy the coach program, and I said I need to give a try to this method, and I will see. I was sure that I would have realized very soon if this would have been work or not. And actually, after not so many days, you realize that your body starts to react differently to the carbohydrates. Something that seems to be impossible for somebody coming from a ketogenic diet, but it's the truth. At least for me, it worked like this. Of course, I knew that there were the website with all the information, but I think that also the fact that every day people write to you, they send text, vocals, they want to know about you, what are you doing, how are you doing, give you hints. That's amazing. And you are not alone doing this method. And after a while, you become fully independent. The beginning, there is the transition. So at the beginning, I was experiencing some spikes. It's completely normal, of course. Then I realized that as I was going on, and then I was removing all these fats from my diet, something was changing, and was changing for good. It was really, really quick to see how insulin day by day was becoming more and more effective. To be honest, I did experience also spikes because I didn't want to push too much, because I didn't know how powerful could be from one day to another, but I can guarantee that from one day to another you can see a big difference. But doing the method and using the decision tree, you can really work out this situation. It helps you understand better. My way to go on was also to try to not to change too much. Once I found, for example, some dishes that were really enjoyable for me, and I understood how many carbs correctly they were, and how many insulin units I needed to burn them, let's say. I was trying to continue. From there, I've seen the difference in time. So, and this was great because you could see from your decision tree that your ratio improves day by day. I joined because I thought that I had a problem that I wanted to fix. So, but to be honest, I think that a person with diabetes, especially type 2, I think that this method, it's life-changing, because if you have type 2, you can really reverse completely. But if you have type 1, I wouldn't lose one day to be better. I was not looking to improve so dramatically the A1C, because my A1C always been around 6, let's say. So it's not super nice, but it's not so bad. But it improved, okay, in a small amount of time. So everything related to the way that the body works can be improved. So I think that a person with type 1, even if this person thinks that is fine, is really fine like I was before, shouldn't spend one day more in a situation that I cannot improve. So I would prefer to improve my situation every day. So I would say to somebody that is on the fence, jump inside and try. There's nothing to lose. It's something amazing, something that somebody should test on his own, because I'm just happy to have found it, to follow day by day.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide, the exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.